All right, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dan coming to you with an update on this gold trade. We finally got hit TP, and now I'm looking for price to come down into this demand zone, and then we could potentially get a flip, hopefully. If not, we get into this and we break below, then we're just gonna keep selling down. I'm currently in like 4 sale positions. I'm not gonna lie, if this shit go up past anything right here, that the count is cooked, I'm gonna be honest. But anyway, yeah, we just holding these sales right now. I'm hoping that we can actually get up below this level right here, and I wish I could still pull up the other, what you call it, but for anybody who watched the previous videos, just go back and you'll see we had some entries up under here, and I was expecting price to come down, and it finally went down and hit take profit. I want to say under these levels here. So that trade is officially done, but like I said, I do have a couple more trades running, just trying to get a little bit of extra bread out of these, out of this move. I have TPs, but I think I'm gonna remove TPs off of 2 of my entries and just let those run to see how far they go. Hopefully this can continue. If we get below this level here, then this is probably gonna be my overall target down here in this area. But honestly, I'm just gonna see how price action is once we get down into this right here. So once we get to, what is this, like 131.90? Yeah, once we get to like 131.90 or 31.90, then I'll start to see how price is going to react in that area and then go from there. But I'm wanting to see price come down here, and if we respect this level, then try to push up past the new highs, hopefully. But if not, like I said, we're just going to follow what the market is showing us. But I'm gonna hold these trades for the rest of the day. Honestly, the way I've been feeling, I'm just gonna let these trades go, and if they push to TP, cool. If not, and I'm stuck in consolidation or whatever happened, then that's fine too. But I don't know, I just been feeling really like this week has been a very, like, I don't want to say stressful, but it's been a very like trying week, you know, I'm not gonna lie. So everything is just up 1 minute, down the next minute, up 1 minute, down the next minute. Like, I've been fighting this account for the past 3 days now. So if this shit just so happened to blow, then it is what it is. But at this point, I'm just gonna hold these, and if them shits hit, they hit. If not, then we just gonna have to try again next week. But other than that, everything played out as expected. It took some time, but definitely still played out as I expected it to play out. But other than that, it's just the fact that we broke below these lows and the fact that price is still pushing. I'm really expecting price to continue to the downside, honestly. I'm not saying it's gonna make it all the way down here, but if it does, that would be nice. You know what I'm saying? There'll be some really, really nice gains. But definitely 31.90 area. But outside of that, I don't really have too much more to say about this trade. I was hoping that we got some like a crazy push because of news, but we didn't really get no crazy push because of news. So maybe during like NFP news or some shit, we'll get a crazy push. But outside of that, it's not a whole lot going on. As y'all can see, we broke below these lows, and like I said, I really want to see price get down into this area right here, and then whatever happened after that, then I'll update y'all. But that's really all it is, bro. Like, it really wasn't much to this trade. Like I said, we was up under this level here. Price started breaking down, and I was telling y'all if we came back for the retest, make another lower high, then sell it back to the lows. And as y'all can see, we consolidated a little bit, made a new low here, pushed back for the pullback, and then finally broke up under this area. And now we're still currently pushing down. So I'm gonna keep holding my sales, like I said, up until price showing me that it's wanting to do something different. And yeah, outside of that, like I said, there ain't a whole lot to it. Just remember, bro, when y'all trading and y'all are holding trades, bro, as long as price is continuously, like, let's say you selling, as long as price is continuously making lows, you're good. But if price starts to pull back but starts breaking highs, then makes a higher low, then break that high again, that's when you need to be like, okay, do I want to get out of this trade, or do I want to wait and see how long this pullback is going to last? Me personally, if price is selling here, right, and then it does something like this, it break a high, come back down, leave a high low, and then shoot up, I'm getting out of my trade. I'm not holding that sale, because ain't no telling how much higher that shit's finna go. And me personally, I do not like being in drawdown. So that's just something I don't like that. You know what I'm saying? If you've been watching my channel, you know drawdown, I hate it. So when it comes to swing trading, that's one thing. You just gotta sit through it. You know, if your entry is not just like you enter and that shit instantly going to profit, but outside of that, drawdown is like, when it comes to swing trading, you have to deal with that drawdown. So outside of that, I don't really have a whole lot more to say about this. I'm just gonna let it play out, and hopefully it plays out in my favor. If not, I will update y'all and let y'all know. If we have to start over, we just got to start over. It is what it is. But other than that, I don't have much more to say. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. And yeah, make sure you join the Discord. Link will be in the description. Peace.